Hi there, I'm Katie with WTI, and I've always heard how wonderful these magic bullets are, but I really wanted to check it out for myself. We love drinking smoothies, and we have one almost every single morning. I really appreciate this convenient size. We've got a lot of appliances in our kitchen, and this is something that I can easily store away. It's about the same height as my toaster, so it fits on every shelf in our cabinets. The blade on this is really strong. We use mainly frozen fruits in our smoothies, and this cuts them up just fine. I really like doing just single serving amounts, which is perfect with the different size of cups that this comes with. One of the really nice features of the cups is that they come with this black lip that screws right on top of it. This way you can drink out of it and not have to worry about these plastic ridges, and it's much easier to sip out of without dribbling everywhere. And you can easily change out one of these lips for an actual lid. Something really unique I noticed about the Magic Bullet is that it does have a handle for the cup. This is so convenient. Overall, I've been really pleased with the Magic Bullet, and I get what all the fuss is about. It is so simple to use. All you have to do is lock in the cup and it turns on all on its own. No extra buttons to push or fancy programs to set. This is a definite win in our household, and that's my point of view.